Stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is going to be just a little in detail introduction of myself to you guys. I just wanted to, share a little bit more about myself and give you guys a little bit of an insight as to who you're watching and who this person is. So I have a couple of notes here just so I can keep track of where I'm at and the video doesn't just go all over the place. So that's why I'll be just looking down a couple of times. So yeah, let's get to it. So first things first, my name is Duduetso Mamsu Dinile. I am usually, back home, people call me Dudu. Some just call me Duduetso. Here in Canada, most people call me Mamsi because it's just so much easier. And I just introduce myself as Mamsi because, a lot of people it's obviously not a common name. Duduetso is not a common name here. So yeah, I decided to make things easier for them. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for giving me an alternative name that I can use. I am 20 years old. I just turned 20 on the 5th of February, which makes me an Aquarius. I am originally from Botswana, which is a small country in the southern part of Africa. I grew up there. I was born there, raised there, and yeah, I only came to Canada for school in 2012. Specifically August 2012, I was pursuing I was studying for my diploma in theater, which I completed in 2014. It was a 2-year diploma program and I got through it, and that was in Ottawa, Ontario. And then I moved to Montreal in 2014 to further my studies and pursue a bachelor's degree in theater. So the reason I chose to study theater was because I've always just loved acting, performing, singing. I've just always loved being on stage and being in front of the camera, and just acting and performing in general. It's always just, how people say it's in my blood. I feel like it's in my blood. I just feel like there's nothing else that I can do, and that's just who I am, and I should embrace it. So I chose to study theater because I wanted to just explore this art a bit more. I haven't necessarily been exposed to theater that much because theater isn't that big in Botswana. Which I'm kind of taking a risk by studying it, knowing that, I'm going to go back home and I'm going to have to try and make ends meet, But it's totally worth it. I love performing, and honestly, university that's where you have to, you have to study something that you love. Otherwise, it's really not going to pan out too well, Sure, you might get the good grades, but you're not really gonna enjoy it as much as you're not really gonna enjoy it if you're not into it, So that's why I chose to do theater. I got the opportunity to be in front of the camera. I was on a TV show, a TV series called Number One Ladies Detective Agency, which was totally awesome. It wasn't a big role or anything, but just being on set was so great. I got to meet Jill Scott, and it was so amazing. I met Anika Noni Rose, I met Desmond Dubé, I met so many people in the industry, and it just made me so it made me just, love what I'm doing. And it just was like, yeah, done deal. This is what I want to do. It was so great. The atmosphere was so amazing. And I loved it so much. I loved everything about it. And I just wanted to be like those people. And yeah. And apart from that, I've also been on radio. I've been part of a radio serial drama back home in Botswana, called Makhabaneng. I've been with them for it's been a long time, since I was 6 or 7, around there. I was pretty young when I started there. That's where I had my first encounter with, acting and this industry. I'm obviously passionate about performing. I am passionate about. I enjoy helping people, and I enjoy acting. I enjoy singing. That is what I love. That is what I'm passionate about. That is where my heart is. Now to go on to more YouTube/blog specific stuff. The origin of the name Stallion Blogs. Okay, there's a story to this. So basically, the name Stallion, I was given the name by a friend of mine back in college. It was actually they actually called me the Black Stallion, because and this is another fun fact. I'm in a wheelchair. I'm not really gonna go much into detail about that just yet. Eventually, hopefully, I will share a bit more about that. But yeah, I'm in a wheelchair, and people back in college, people used to ride on the back of my chair, and it was fun. Like I enjoyed it. I was just like, okay, it doesn't hurt, we're just having fun. And there was a time in class where a friend of mine she just randomly just called me the Black Stallion, and I was like, I like that. That sounds so hilarious, and I totally love it. And it just kind of stuck with me, and I liked it. And I decided to just, incorporate it into the name of this this blog / channel. And yeah, so it's Stallion Blogs. So Stallion from the Black Stallion, and blogs because, well, blogs. And I just decided to put them together and make it just one word, because I thought it looked cool that way, and it just, kind of looked cool. So. Why did I start the channel? I decided to start Stallion Blogs because I've always wanted to, do something on YouTube. I've had an artist channel, on YouTube before, where I did a few covers and just, explored my artistic side on that channel. And I decided, I wanted to do this because, one, YouTube is such a popular place now. It's growing so much, and a lot of people are more, are now exposed to YouTube more. And I wanted to just, create a platform where I could share my opinions, share my views, give advice where I can, and just help out, through this, because I enjoy helping people. I enjoy motivating people. I enjoy inspiring people. It's something that I enjoy. So I wanted to use this platform to do that, because also I love the camera, you know. It goes with the whole me wanting to do film, me wanting to act and all those things. So I love the camera, and I was like, hey, I can, do both. I can be in front of the camera and I can still be helping people, I can still be motivating people, and that's why I started the channel. So yeah, I thought it would be a pretty good idea to start the channel finally. It was very it took a while for me to do it, because I doubted myself a lot, and I felt that, I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it. It was just weird and just awkward. But then I just decided, hey, you know what? I'm just gonna, go for it and see how it goes. And I did it, and I'm just enjoying every minute of it. It's a way for me to, just let my voice be heard, and it's a way for me to express how I feel. It's a way for me to let things out. It's really therapeutic for me, as much as I hope it's therapeutic for other people who are watching. So yeah, that's why I started Stallion Vlogs. Future plans. I'm hoping that, okay, so future plans in terms of career-wise, I want to, work harder at, pursuing my career and, making myself grow as an artist, as an actor, as a singer. I really want to, grow in that field. I want to, I just want to keep going higher and higher, and that is my aim, that is my goal, and I think that should be the goal for every human being. Just always aim to do better, don't settle, and that's what I want to do. I want to, all I want to do, I want to succeed as an actress, a singer, an artist. That's what I want. And with Stallion Blogs, I want to explore this a lot more. I want to actually go more into, I intend to go more into, motivational speaking. I want to inspire, I want to motivate, I want people to know that, it's okay, and I just want to share my story. I want my story to be heard. I want to be heard. And that's about it. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna talk about right now. I know I've just talked about my academics and my academic side and my career mostly, but yeah, that's really who I am. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Feel free to let me know, and to leave comments and just let me know what else you want to know. These are just basic questions that I just drew up, and basic things that I drew up. So just let me know whatever you wanna ask me. Just leave a comment below. You can also go over to my Facebook page and leave a post there, message me, email me, and I will answer your question. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening. Thank you. I love you guys, and yeah, until next time.